Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to convert the seconds into minutes and seconds. Seconds is the input and is converted into minutes and remaining seconds. We'll see the demo. N is the variable. I'm going to store the seconds. N equal to integer of input of enter the seconds. I'm storing it in the variable n. Input statement always returns a string that is converted into integer using in function and stored in the variable. Input always returns the value in string. The seconds are written in string that is converted into integer using this in function and stored it in the variable n. Next, minutes equal to, I'm using variable min to convert minutes n integer division of 60. We convert the seconds into minutes. SCC is a variable to store the remaining seconds. For this, I am using n modulo 60. Will give the remaining seconds. Now, I am going to print the result. Print minutes. Minutes equal to, and entering the variable min. Minutes equal to is a string followed by the value in the min will be displayed, comma, seconds. Seconds is the remaining seconds and SCC. So input, I ask you to enter a second. I convert it into integer and store it in the variable n. To convert the given second to minutes, I am giving n integer division of 60. That means it will convert the seconds into minutes. So I have to calculate the remaining seconds. After converting minutes, some remaining seconds are available. I have to convert it. For this, I am using n modulo 60. I am printing minutes equal to seconds equal to and using the variable SEC. Now we will run the program and check the result. Enter second. I am giving 200. So minutes equal to 3, seconds equal to 20. So 200 which contain 3 minutes. That means 180 seconds. So 3 minutes. Remaining seconds is 20. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.